Hey guys, it's Jedd from Disrupt Tutoring. Always so nice to be with you. Without any further ado, I'm going to get straight into the question. Now, we've got this shape. The examiner has given us this shape to evaluate, and they've said to us, in the above figure, WX and ZY are what? And we need to finish that sentence. Now, before we look at the answers, let's look at those two line segments. Now, we've got WX over there, and we've got ZY over there. Now, what do we notice about those two line segments? It's very clear that those two line segments have this nifty little arrow sign on them. And if you know your rules, you know that these mean something. And if you don't know your rules, then we're going to choose one of the options using our trusted eeny, meeny, miny, mo approach, which will always be D, so it doesn't really make sense. Anyway, because I know you're not going to use the eeny, meeny, miny, mo approach, I know you know the rule. And the rule is these two things mean parallel. So that would mean our answer would be, in the above figure, WX and ZY are parallel line segments. That's all from me, guys. Before I go, quick shout out to our sponsor, Bonny's Waterworld, an epic swim school on the eastern south side of Joburg. They're ready to help you learn how to swim or become a better swimmer, so reach out. The details are in the description below. Also, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our website. If you can't find the answer to the question that is bugging you, remember, you can always send us the question via WhatsApp, or you can send it via email, and we will reply with your personalized video, and we'll even give you a shout out, which is going to be awesome. Cool, guys. Until next time, stay epic.